How to fix FaceTime screen share not working in iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Scroll down, head towards the option of FaceTime. Once you find it, open it. You can disable for this option of FaceTime for a minimum of 60 seconds and again enable it. Likewise, head towards this option of SharePlay. Make sure you have toggle on for this option. Once you check these settings, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, go to the option of General, open it. Scroll all the way down, click on Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. After you turn off your phone, again turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, open this option of Software Update. If any updates are available over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. Likewise, the very last thing you want to do is head back, scroll down, open the option Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset Network Settings. Now type in your passcode over here to continue with the process. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix FaceTime screen share not working in iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.